Hi, I'm John Stacy, and I want to talk to you for a few moments about this next assignment. In this case, we're going to talk about commonly confused words. And as you can see, I have a little dog here who's going to help me talk about these. Words, okay? This is Archie. He is our grammar dog, and he often helps me in these assignments. I can't do much without him. Okay, so let's give it a try with Archie, the grammar dog. Okay, now commonly confused words are words that all kinds of people make mistakes on. They can be perfectly good and nice people who take out their trash and help save the planet and all kinds of things, but nonetheless commonly confused words, because they often sound alike, cause errors for them, and they get those errors marked on their English papers, right? Okay, well, we're just going to touch on a few of them, and they're the ones which are going to appear on your quiz also. Now, the first commonly confused group is the difference between accept and accept. Now, accept with an A means to receive something. I accept this little dog. To receive, especially willingly. To agree to that. I accept it. Okay, accept means to leave out. Everyone except this little dog knows what's going on in this exercise. Calls for you to fill in the whole army was out of step except or accept Fred. Well, it sounds like the whole army was out of step except Fred to me. Okay, the next one. I'll accept or accept no money from that cheapskate. Yeah? Okay, it sounds to me like I would accept no money from the cheapskate. Okay, you get the idea? And as I say, this is what will appear in your quiz, so be sure you get this straight. Accept, accept. Okay, the next one, af-fect and ef-fect, has been causing people just fits for centuries now. They sound so much alike. Which one should I use? Okay, to affect with an A means to have an effect on someone. This dog has an affect on me. To stir the emotions of. This dog affects me. To like to use, wear. Oh, I affect tweed jackets. That's the use of affect. I'm affecting this tweed jacket because I look so terrific in tweed with a dog on my lap. And the other one, effect, is the result. Effect is the result of something. I let the dog in the room, and one of the effects was that he jumped up on my lap during filming this exercise. He is the effect. He's a noun. He's a result. He's an effect. Okay, it asks us to fill in the blanks with affect or effect. Wars blank everybody. Well, they sure do seem to blank everybody. Wars affect everyone or effect everyone. Well, if it means to have a result on, to influence, then they would affect everybody. And the general affect, the general result, effect. The general result is not good. Then there are the two its. Isn't it charming that we've got two its in our language? That's why they're commonly confused. One has an apostrophe in it, it apostrophe s. Okay, its with no apostrophe means belonging to it. The dog shook its tail. Okay, he petted its tail. Okay, possessive. Its. What belongs to the dog is its. No apostrophe. Now, its with an apostrophe is a shortened form of it is. Okay, that's what we use apostrophes for, is to show when things are left out. So, its no apostrophe, or its with an apostrophe, excuse me, means it is, or it can also mean it's a short form of it has. It's apostrophe cold outside. It's been raining this week. It's been fun petting this dog. All of those with apostrophe because they're all short for it is or it has. Okay, the there, and there. Isn't it charming? We've got 3 versions of there in English. T-H-E-I-R, T-H-E-R-E, and T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, and they all have different meanings. This is especially wonderful if you're coming to English from another language. Well, other languages have their problems too, okay? Ever try to learn French verbs? I'm telling you. Okay, there means, T-H-E-I-R means belonging to them. There, at that place, over there, T-H-E-R-E, and there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, short for they are. Dogs are wonderful, and they are a responsibility. Blank is no way blank coming to this party without blank's parents' permission. It sounds like there is no way they're coming to this party without their parents' permission. And I'm letting you figure out which one of those theirs is there. Yeah, I know you know. You just have to concentrate on it, to focus on it sometimes. Okay, the next one. Again, your and your. Watch yourself here. Your and your. Your, Y-O-U-R, belonging to you, Y-O-U-R. Your, apostrophe R-E, you're being a fool here, short for you are, Y-O-U apostrophe R. You're a fool, you're foolish. Takes an apostrophe to make them foolish, okay? Then finally, we're looking at two, and two. Well, they do sound somewhat alike. I suppose we could make them sound different. Two, very short. Tio, two. I'm going to the store. It's to means in a direction, going to something, going to pieces, going to the store, going to work. Going to the dogs, all two, short T-O. Okay, it's also a part of a verb when we say, to laugh, to smile, to sing. Those are all two, short T-O. Okay, the next one we could make longer, T-O-O. This dog is too much. I paid too much for this jacket. Actually, I didn't. I got this on a good sale. T-O-O, too, meaning overly, as in the coffee is too blankety blank strong. Okay? And then two, number two, well, take that down. T-W-O, two, the number. We know that.